One of every Blackstone owner's favorite things to cook on their griddle is tacos. Using pork tenderloin not only makes for the juiciest tacos, but it's so inexpensive, perfect to serve a large crowd. You guys are gonna love these for your next family hangout or any easy weeknight dinner during the week. Let me show you guys how to make these at home using your Blackstone. Pork tenderloin gets a super simple marinade. However, the longer this marinates, the better. So go for overnight or up to 2 days. Cut the pork into small bite-sized pieces. Then I'm mixing together the Blackstone all-purpose seasoning and the spicy brown sugar seasoning. Then grate in, or you can chop up fresh garlic. Go for fresh over jarred always, if you can, because you'll get a way better flavor. Now add some low sodium soy sauce, not too much, because we want our meat to sear, not steam in a bunch of liquid. You can add a little oil of your choice here too if you'd like, but I'm gonna do it on the griddle. And again, up to 2 days in the refrigerator to marinate. Now for our salsa, which this one is a favorite with just some chips and a margarita or cold beer. It's so fresh and tasty. We small dice English cucumber, add that to a large bowl with fresh diced pineapple, some purple onion or red. The big debate lives on, which one do you say, purple or red? I will always be team purple because they are purple. Then a handful of cilantro goes in. If you want to add any heat, chop up some jalapeno and add that into the mix. Fresh squeezed lime juice and our spicy brown sugar for seasoning until I'm happy with my taste test. Again, this one goes into the fridge as well. It can last a few days, perfect to make before the weekend starts, adding it to tacos, sandwiches, or just enjoy it with chips. A quick sriracha mayo, mixing together your favorite mayo with a little sriracha. And now it's time to get our griddle going. Our pork has marinated. You can see there's no extra liquid in the bottom of this bowl, meaning we're gonna get that nice sear versus steaming our meat in liquid. Our griddle has a fresh layer of oil. I am going to drizzle over or spray over just a little extra to help this get that nice sear, along with a little more of our seasonings. This cooks so fast. Before I let it finish, I'm gonna slide it aside, giving myself some time to heat up and crisp up our corn tortillas. Flour is also perfect for these. This is what I love, that I can have my meat on either low or off for a minute in one heat zone, allowing my right side heat zone to go on high, giving these tortillas some nice color, and they're gonna pick up some of that flavor from our meat. Then we pull them off. Our meat goes back onto our heat to finish with some fresh squeezed lime juice, which gives this a beautiful glossy glaze all over the meat. We plate this up, and as always, onto a big cutting board. My favorite way to serve is family style, allowing everyone to assemble and load up their own tacos. Extra spicy mayo for me. Now I can't get enough of these. I love the crunchiness of the corn tortilla. Our pork tenderloin is so juicy and flavorful. And as for the salsa, I always make a big batch so that I have extras to scoop late at night with some tortillas or poolside. These are perfect for any day of the week, whether it's lunch or dinner. I cannot wait for you guys to try these. If you do, post a picture. You know the drill. That way we can repost your recreations of our recipes all over our Blackstone social media. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I cannot wait to see you guys for another family style favorite in my next video.